Greetings, welcome to XF. We're back with more Satisfactory. We gotta work on the mushroom biome place. We gotta fix a few things and then add some new part construction path stuff. Not really sure how to describe it, but yeah, let's go with that. It's about it, I think, for today. We'll have to deal with nuclear power and stuff next week. So anyways, let's go over to our ad spot, and then we'll jump right in, shall we? You can hear I'm starting up in the game in the background because I forgot to do that. Anyways. Brick Prints, your place for custom stickers and custom 3D printed parts. If you like what I do, definitely what he does. He does custom stickers for my mocks and a lot of other creators' mocks. Make sure you check them out. www.brickerprints.com. Take a look around, support me, and yeah, enjoy that, and make sure to check out all the fun stuff there. Anyways, let's go on over Satisfactory, shall we? There we go. Okay, yeah. I just started up the game. I don't know why I'm low on the ball right now. Coffee has not kicked in. So, anyways, okay. I think the simplest thing first, in all honesty, would be to take care of our plastics and probably cable situation. Throw down some awesome sinks and just kind of get that grinded away. Circuit boards are backed up. I don't think that's too much of an issue. A lot of things are actually kind of backed up. Let's see, cables come all the way over here. Probably the most obvious spot to awesome sync cabling would probably actually be back here. So like if I did logistics splitter and just threw one of these down right there. Okay, good. Where is that going? That's going way over there. Probably take advantage of that, honestly. Right? No, that's a splitter, not a merger. I need to take advantage of this guy right here. Logistics merger. Oh, you're up there. It's like, wait a minute. I hear a train. I'm in danger. Because I kind of am in danger, but only in just a little bit. Okay, put that there, put that there. Mark 3, go up. Yeah, that's about level. Mark 3, go across. There we go. That'll help deal with some of the excess cable and make sure that stuff doesn't see it's getting stocked up now. Kind of need to do the same now with plastics, so that way I can constantly have the fuel systems running. Plastics goes all the way over here, and that's it. I think we do need plastics for some of our other manufacturing systems, though, so I'd probably be most wise if I didn't get rid of it right now. Okay, well, we got cable figured out, so that can be step one. Let's throw down some foundations really quick. Yeah. Oh, I do not have zoop mode engaged. Oh, boy. And go over there. Crossed. And across again. Okay. So, production. I don't think we need anything too wildly crazy for what we... okay, hold on. I gotta kind of like... Whoop. Okay. H, lock hologram. Thank you. Okay, you need to go over a little bit, buddy. And actually, you know what? Go a little more over to there. Can you back up? Okay, yeah, now that'll probably be a better alignment. Okay, let's go with that. Fine. H to lock hologram, bring it in. Perfect. So if I got both of these to do probably supercomputers. Let's have them both do supercomputers. Because at least the plastic is just right there. You just grab it from right there. Oh boy. Sorry, hold on a moment. Oh, pain that was in my ear. Kind of weird. Wasn't like, I guess not in my ear, but like on like the outside area, whatever. Yeah. Okay, high-speed connectors and AI limiters. What are you outputting? You're just outputting circuit boards, my good sir. I need to take from this, I guess back here. Okay, Mark III, go up. Actually, oh yeah, we can just sneak it right along past this side here. That'll be fine. What? Okay, I don't want to fall off. Okay, can I? Questionably. Okay, I cannot put a half foundation there. It's too far out. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's bring this back about probably there. Logistics, I want splitters. So, yeah, probably one right there, honestly. One right there, and then I need a second one right there. Okay. And with that, plastics are quickly taken care of. That's one down. AI limiters. I have AI limiters right there. I'm not really doing anything with the AI limiters, am I? Technically. Yeah, they're not being output to anything specific. Oh, it's full. Oh, good thing we're gonna make use of these real fast. Yay. Question? Is that... Yeah, it looks like that's more or less straight across. Cool. One thing I need to do, though, is I need to go upwards. Bear splitters, so I need to go upwards. Sure. Get rid of you. Mark III, go across. Down. Down. Oop. You, around. Perfect. Okay, so we have the AI limiters now. We need high-speed connectors and computers. Yeah, well, high-speed connectors and computers are being output over on this side of things. We have a lot of circuit boards. Do the RC component thingies need circuit boards, radio control units? They just need more computers. Okay. East uranium, yeah, we're gonna have to deal with all that pretty quick too. Alright. So we may want to junk part of the circuit board output. Oh. Yeah, no, it's all clogged. Mostly due to these computers, I think. I'm not using... okay, so it's outputting back here. We technically have the upper output, don't we? Yeah, we do. Okay, good. Well, let's take advantage of that. There we go. Okay, so we need to bring computers kind of back along here, there. I can't put a stackable conveyor just on here. Oh. No, I most certainly can. I think my high-speed connectors are also over here. Okay. Well, that more or less kind of brings us back around over here. We want to go down one, please. Down one. Thank you. Frost. Okay, computers are a comin'. So where should I head across at? Probably on the opposite side here. Yeah, somewhere around here. This looks about where I need to be. So without further ado, I should put some flooring walls. Keep my... let's get off of zoom mode. We just need default mode. Ah! It's right there in the way, isn't it? Okay, it looks like we need to go up another one. Just to be sure. Let's see here. Basic wall. And throw down a little bit of flooring. Oop. There we go. Ah! Stuck. Right. Yeah. Should be more or less good. Logistics, excavator Mark 3. Connect you to up there. There, thank you. Connect you to there, thank you. And connect you up here. Whoop. Okay. So we made a mistake. Only small. Very fixable. Ouchies. I didn't use my half foundations. There. Now, problem is solved. Okay, so I guess let's just go for the next one then. Logistics, Mark 3. Bring that on up. Whoop. Ah, we're like plugged into two separate weird locations. That's fine. Okay, compare splitter. We're about... yeah, we're about there, honestly. Means we have to replace these. Yeah, nope, that's the wrong one. Mark 3. Oh. Exit freighter is re-entering. Sweet. Okay, so that is now computers. We just need high-speed connectors. That is the last thing we need. And I think I'm just going to straight depot this, in all honesty. I don't think I need to do much outside of that. Oopsies. Okay, just checking something. Okay. So, air limiters are also off in this direction. There's a lot of high-speed connectors filtering through. Is this also high-speed connectors right here? Probably. Nope, that is homing ammo. Just barely filtering through. Ah, there's my high-speed connectors going in totally the wrong direction than what I actually need. This must be full? Yeah, it's full. Sweet, finally. Yeah, no, this isn't gonna work. It's going in the complete opposite direction of actually where I need it to go. So I guess on this majestic line. No, I need high-speed connectors. Nope, we gotta add a splitter here. Actually, no, what am I doing? I'm gonna just put a splitter up here. Oh, it's gonna be angry about everything, isn't it? Okay, it's angry about everything. Never mind. And I'm being taken away. He's being kidnapped. Catnapped. Me in particular. And it goes that way. This. Oh. Bring cross probably there-ish. There to there. Okay, cool. And then, well, take this conveyor belt and charge it all the way down to the end here. There we go. So why are the high-speed connectors not really producing too quickly? What material are you lacking in particular? You have cable. It's just really the quick wire that needs to come in like a gajillion more miles faster. That would probably help the situation. I just saw that one just zoom by. Okay, yeah. Okay. The faster it can filter into our system, the better. So on. Placing these. Oh, look at it go. Going from Mark 4 all the way to Mark 5 here. Just nyom. Alright, there it goes. Nyom. Now it's really going fast. Bet that'll empty. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so funny to watch. Here, go ahead and just take more quick wire. Nyom. That should get the high-speed connectors to be run a little more faster. Produce them. Because yeah, we're using the least efficient method of the, I guess, manifold system that we kind of talked about last time. A little bit. So, just shoving more items through the faster we can kind of solves it, but it's not ideal. But whatever. We're doing good. We're doing fine. We're doing fine. If I need more quick wire, I can lift the limits on quick wire, because we were getting flooded with it previously. Anyways, I need to bring high-speed connectors up here. That doesn't seem to be having high-speed connectors going through it. I don't even see a single piece. That might be a problem. Anyways. Okay, so we want conveyor splitters here. And, oop, there. Conveyor splitter. Oop. Oh my goodness. Bottom one can go away. Bottom one can go away. I just want to connect to the top one. It doesn't want to connect to the top one because it's not on grid. It's kind of annoying. Alright, let's get rid of this conveyor belt for a moment. And then I guess we have to put these back. Splitter. Rid of all this. Jazz, and replace these conveyor elevator bits. Mark 3. Yep, there we go. There it connects. And there it connects. Okay. Now it's happy, and we can re-put a bunch of this stuff. Okay, we have 2 high-speed connectors. Count them. 2. Not great. Not great whatsoever. So I need to... Maybe I just need to go find some summer sloop and just output more high-speed connectors. The one thing I could do... I'd almost be half tempted to just disable the ammo line completely. Yeah, we can get rid of this. Don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. We have ammo for days. And actually probably just start using some of it to kind of just fill this container up. We need them. Okay, there's high-speed connectors, computer. What is flooded? It's computers. Computers have jammed up the system. Okay. Well, I guess to unjam the system, all we really need to do, I think you should have some free. You do not have very many free, so upgrade yourself, and then you have more free. There we go. Guess we need to get some half foundations out here. Come on. Is that? Yeah, that's on that end of that. Okay, that works. So we can get production, no, organization. We can just slap down Dimensional Depot on this end. Yeah, more or less right there. Logistics, merger. Yep, there we go. And then some Mark III conveyors. Some supercomputers going on in here. There we go. Supercomputers are now going into the Dimensional Depot. Huzzah! And that should make computers get consumed? 7.5 per minute, yeah. Consuming a heap ton of plastic, which we kind of need to consume. So that's all fine and dandy. Am I trashing? No, I'm not trashing the plastic. The plastic is actually getting absorbed. Okay, okay, so the high-speed connectors technically are not backed up. Really don't need computers anymore, though. The whole computer system is pretty well flooded. Oh boy, it is. Okay, you know what? Let's just take a inventory of computers out of here, and we're just gonna like trash it. Don't really need that. Don't really need a lot of this other material in my inventory. Okay, all of that can go away. I do have some high-speed connectors I should probably throw back down. Here. Here, take some high-speed connectors. Filter them out for use in crafting. Alright, well that takes care of this one at least. Yeah. I think it's explosions? Explosions? I don't think explosions could take out these. I think these are pretty permanent. Yeah. Dang. Can't put a floating platform there. Right there. I technically need to save this space over here for more refineries. I don't think I can fit a floating platform in this area either. Ouchies! Because I need to plop down a floating platform somewhere for the RC components. Unless I just stack them on top of something here. Which I could totally do. I mean, this tower right here is basically free. Little wall. Yeah. It's like, yeah, nah, I don't think this tower is free, more or less. Is there any place that really is free? Not really. Yeah, more or less all kind of taken up. Okay, well, new platform it is then. I think back in this corner, kind of towards the land a little more. We'll use that to build my... Oh wow, you're outputting... Oops. It helps if I actually connect things. There we go. Here we go. Okay, sweet. And we're getting supercomputers into my dimensional depot. Good, 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 good. I do believe I need to go out 5, right? Technically, yeah, it's 4 in between. Whoop. Okay, architecture. Oh, there's all the new roofing stuff. Small pillar frame. Okay, I need to zoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big frame. Yeah, it wants to go sideways, not up and down. It's kind of a problem. Big pillar support on top. Thank you. And if I'm down below low enough, I cannot do it. Okay. Downwards. And then small frame. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Frame. Nope, just one. Just one. Thank you. Big pillar support. Get rid of it. Big frame. Go down. Perfect. Now we can just do some foundations out from there. Oop. And we can start laying out. Okay, yep, that is correct. View. View. Okay. All right. And I guess throw down this. That way. Control. Not lower it down to have that sit lower. Nope, that's a problem. Come on. Base. Oh, right there. Perfect. Are we probably clipping into the ground, aren't we? A little bit. Because this platform is going to be more or less pretty close to the ground. We need to get rid of that pile of coal. Get rid of this. Go make way for our glorious RC components factory. How much is in here? Jeez. Okay, there we go, finally. And take a sip of my coffee while waiting. Oh, it's taking a hot minute. Alright. Well, without further ado, let's throw down the foundations we need. Okay, looks like I gotta take some explosions over there. Get rid of some of that. Okay. Mind if I do? And just down there, maybe a little bit more over here. Correct, cleared up. Architecture, so we can start putting these in. Doesn't even need to go down or up, that's already all mode. Yep, it's already on the ground. Hey, it's quick. I think up here, over here, there's a little bit more going on. Only slightly. Yeah, the rest of it's in the round pretty well. But hey, we'll be making RC components in this corner. A modern railing. Across the corners. The mushroom base. It expands even further. Okay, and then all we're missing is the big pillar supports. Alright, now that we got that, I think mostly we just need probably only 2 manufacturers. Like, I don't think we need to go too wild or stir crazy on this. Yeah, that feels kind of roughly in the middle, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's the fourth one over, so yeah, that should be... It's kind of the middle. And one right over there, too. There we go. Okay, so we need RC control units. And we need aluminum casing, which we can get. Oh, hey, we could take advantage of the drones. Yeah. Okay, hold on. We can take advantage of the drones. I need to move these factories actually back more. In that case, we can throw down. Excuse me. We can throw down a drone port right in front, like right near these factories. Yeah. Hold on. H. There we go. It does need fuel, though. Which, I feel like we can probably get away without having fuel on one side. Probably, maybe. And just do fuel on the other side. So, transportation, drone port. Here we go. You can actually just kind of hang this off of this other side here. Okay, so it's 3 blocks long. Yeah, right about there. And then we throw down a drone. Oh, I can just manually feed. Oh yeah, no, I can just what am I saying? I could... I may want more than one drone port now that I think about it. Because I probably want a drone port at my main base since it's producing a lot of turbo fuel. And just have that kind of just drop turbo fuel for the various drone bases. Different areas. Yeah? I think so, honestly, actually. Can I assign a drone to more than one? Selected relevant ports. Port Arlanda. Can I rename that? Where does it even say the name at? Is it on this side? Hold on. This port, Arlanda. Can I rename that? Transfer all stack types, transfer stack, split stack, close escape. Import. Oh, here we go. This is where I can name it. Mushroom base. Okay, so that's our mushroom base. Fuel. I think I'm just gonna throw down a simple storage container for the moment. I'm gonna overpack it under here. Logistics Mark 3. And like that, drop turbo fuel into there. Okay, that should get fuel. We need to run power over here. That probably actually should be fairly easy. Wall outlets Mark 1s. Kind of along the bottom. Is that how I did it? Yeah. There. Another one right there. Actually, there's wall outlets right on that side. Power line. We run a power line from over there to here. Yes, we can. Ha ha ha, we have power now. Power all the way over here. Perfect. Alright, and then I just need a power pole. Excuse me. Probably right about there, honestly. Okay, that solves power there. That can go there. Fuel is going in. Sweet. Oh, it can use battery? Oh, it can use plutonium fuel too. Chris Terry, hey, welcome. Okay, so we got like a lot of options when it comes to fuel. I feel like since I'm producing a lot of turbo fuel that I could probably just use that. Yeah. This port. Okay, can I add a... Well, I can't probably add a filter. Any filter would probably have to be outwards, like when I take the items out, I have to add a filter. Guess let's just do that. He's like, that's the in... Wait, no, this is the output. So we probably want a logistics smart splitter just right out the gate. So if we ever want anything else to be filtered into this, which I think we do actually need aluminum casing. I have crystal oscillators being made above there. Could run a conveyor belt all the way down here. Oh, why am I on biomass? Oh, wait. I know, because I took all the fuel out of my inventory. There we go. Problem solved. Okay. Well, I can have the train bring down the crystal oscillators. Let's see, this should be made right here. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. So I can have my train bring down the crystal oscillators to there. 333. Feels like you could be you are turboed, but you're not summer slooped for even more production. Cabling is really slow here. Why is cable so slow? Of all the things. Where is this cable? Oh, where's this cable production line even hooked up to? Okay, it's going that way. We have a ton of cable being output here. It's coming from way back there. I guess. Okay, this is gonna make it even more of a spaghetti mess. That way down there. Okay, hopefully you can just kind of connect to like. Nope, that is a splitter. I meant to put a merger. Oop, I'm being stolen. Hold on. Oh boy. Yep, plug that into there. There we go. Okay. Yep, more spaghetti. All the good spaghetti. Okay, so that should be feeding a lot more cable into there. Are we... Oh. Okay, there's cable coming down right there. I think that's where we just plugged into. Yeah, we could definitely lower our cable output. So that's fine now. We're producing crystal oscillators. Kinda wish we were producing a lot more. 0.5 per minute. Quartz and forced iron plate. It's the cable that we're kind of lacking in for whatever reason. Am I really? Oh, that's too far down. I need to check here. Yeah, we got plenty of explosive stuff going there. That's fine. Yeah, no, cable's just going in. You know what? I still haven't put ourselves on the experimental branch of things, so I can tell what the output of this cable or conveyor is. Now that I've added that splitter, though, onto this line, it looks like it's outputting possibly just enough to where I could run 2 of these. Would take some... Yeah, I think I want to deconstruct this and then put 2 here. Dimensional depot half of it, and then take the other half and run it back to the train station. So that way we can add it to the train station down there, and then conveyor it all the way over to the RC manufacturer, which is like down that corner somewhere. Yeah, yep. That's the plan. Whee! Now for the fun part. I could probably raise this up, so I'm just going to use some architecture, honestly, for this. Like structural membrane beams here. Oop, nope, not that one. Inverter ramp, probably. Come on, place. There you go. There we go. Cool. From there, layer a bunch of foundation on top of here. So that way I can throw down 2 of those manufacturers. Or not main. Are they? Yeah, no, they are manufacturers. Okay, I was correct the first time. Okay, surface is too uneven. It's hitting the mountain mostly. Okay, that's good there. These are 2 in like a corridor? Yeah, like 2 1/4 buildings things wide. Yeah, I need to put some half foundations out on this side. There we go. Production, manufacture. There we go. Right there. Perfect. Now for the fun part, I need to take all these lines and divide. Okay, so we need crystal oscillators. Here, take your quartz, take your cable, take your that. Do I have any more slugs in my inventory? I do not, so turboing both of these is off the table. Well, turboing both to their full amount is off the table for now. It's fine. Let's take quartz first. Logistics. About Mark 3. Yeah, just come up. Splitter. The fastest way will just be to stack a few of these and just go from there. Okay, so from the lowest to the highest. Go. Oh, that one. That one. And, well, without further ado, just connect it all. Okay, so you, I can get rid of that belt. 3 to there. And right there. There we go. A little power. Where was I getting power for this? Oh, probably there. Power there, power there. And now that starts working. This probably isn't outputting. Oh, it's not getting enough metal sheets. Okay. Backtrack. Why are we not getting enough metal sheets? You're not getting enough iron ingots. Okay, why are you not getting enough iron ingots? Where are my iron ingots coming from? Down below. Okay, you have iron ingots. Did I nerf iron for... There's iron going that direction. Oh, we must have just got a delivery, didn't we? Okay, is it you that has the iron, or is it the next one? Nope, it's definitely you. Okay, most of that sulfur and quartz will be grinded off. It's fine. So iron should fill the system pretty quick here. Alright. So we just gotta wait for it. Yep. Okay, now that we got that, a foundation. You need to do a little bit of both here. Actually, nope, I should have done whole foundations. Whole foundation across. That was probably a little too much across. Just a lot of it. Rotate that around because I like my evenness. Okay, conveyor splitter. So I guess actually no, we need a merger. One right there. Another one right there. Layer in a splitter almost directly after it. So we can put organization dimensional depot right back here. Logistics Mark 3. That one connected in there. This one goes here. This one goes here. That one goes there. This one wraps around, goes there. That was a lot in just a few seconds. We're just condensing both work production lines into one, so that gets fed to the dimensional depot, and the other one, well, I guess we got to figure out how to get over to our train stuff now. Boy. So that can go out. Nope, that's not where I want it to go. Try again. There. And then this needs to go down at this layer? Yes, down at this layer. Oh boy. Oh boy. Just need to weave it majestically around everything else that is in here. And feed it just right into one of those. Okay, cool. I now have a train to catch so that I can put filters. Because currently, where's my train at? That does not have a filter on it for accepting crystal oscillators. Make sure to do that. Train, where are you? You're coming down, aren't you? Yeah, okay, you're almost here. We can just hang out for a few moments until our train comes down. It'll stop at that station briefly and then we'll make its way down here. Which I can go about editing the filter, and from there down at that train station I can then add a conveyor belt to take the crystal oscillators on over to the RC facility. Yes. Something I didn't do though either. Should have went out and found more hard drives in my spare time between streams. Oh well, I can probably do some more of that this weekend or something. Oh, train! Yoo-hoo! Come here. I need to edit your filters so that the main place accepts crystal oscillators. Alright, you're gonna pull up right here. Alright, sweet. Alright, train menu is Q. Edit timetable. What one is it? Mushroom Factory. This one. Do we have... Oh, crystal oscillators are already in the filtration system. Alright. Alright, cool. Then we're all good to go. I just gotta run down here and start running conveyor belts then. Sweet. Well, that makes it easier. I didn't think I had that set up. So, basically, the output of crystal oscillators should be to right there in that middle section right here. My only question is, to where do I run the conveyor to get that across? I should probably run the conveyor down underneath, shouldn't I? That might be the least spaghetti way of running it. Probably weave it over top of these quick wire things. And bring it over here. And straight shot it over there. Okay, I think that's how we'll do it. Okay, so for the moment, right about here-ish, I need to run a conveyor kind of over this direction. Ah! I've been stolen! Can't stand on that conveyor. It is very dangerous territory. Please don't. I just want the edge. There we go. Okay, up. Across. Okay. Yep, and then just stay up. Continue on over. Out. Wait, more or less just boom right there. Okay, and then this needs to come on across to over here. We can figure out how to connect that up later. Let's get the other end connected so we at least have crystal oscillators piling up and making their way over here. Okay. That there. Mark 3 on up. Right about there. There we go. There's copper in the system? Hold on. How'd you get there? Is this... No, that's not How'd you get there? That's not supposed to be there. How did copper get here? Wait a second, did I not set a filter correctly? Okay, AI limiters are very much full. Okay, something... Whoop. What the heck? Okay, that's a bug. Just launched myself somehow. Here. Any undefined. Yeah. Any undefined. No, it should not be filtering copper into the middle one. How'd that get there? I am so confused. Okay, what are you needing? Or am I just needing to junk a bunch of AI limiters to get stuff going? High-speed connectors. Yeah, you're not getting many of those. I think this is the only crafting thing that needs AI limiters. Yeah. So let's do this system a favor and garbage those. Ah, this conveyor belt right here actually happens to be the conveyor belt I need to connect to for garbaging those. So, well, merger there. Splitter back on this side. Mark III on around. Here we go. Start garbaging some AI limiters as well. Help clear the system so that the crystal oscillators can make it through. Okay. That's a problem. I need to connect this to something storage so I can just clean that off of that conveyor belt. Okay, logistics, Mark III, connect to there, okay. Yep, clean that out of the conveyor belt system. You need those crystal oscillators, but clean that real quick and we'll be good. Alright, the conveyor belt has been purged. So, I guess first up, aluminum casing is what we need to grab first, and that's coming right here. Honestly, I think we would just go the lazy route and just stack a few of these. Because it works. Therefore, it's good enough. Whoop. Okay. And that one to the farther out one. Alright. Bring this around. And plug it in there. There we go. Crystal oscillators will go there. Let's go ahead and just throw what I have in my inventory into there. Sweet. Aluminum casings will come to the bottom. We need to go to the aluminum factory, which is a ways away. That'll be fun. And we just need to bring computers over here. And that's everything, more or less. Okay, so computers. I think we have a... Yes, we do, right here. We can swipe from right here. That is perfect. Okay, let me add some supports here real quick. On 2. Okay, perfect. So we can, once we get the computers running, come over here. And all that's left is just, you know, getting those aluminum casings coming over. And dimensionally depoting it all, because currently we don't really need it for much of anything else. Computers are right here. Whoop. Okay, bring that over. Bring it down. Where's that going? Put it there. Okay. And straight across. Oh, that's gonna be a lot of computers filtering over. Okay, well, that should be more or less everything. 1.25 per minute? But yeah, I don't think we need a wild amount of these, but probably good enough. Logistics, merger. Go ahead and throw a merger straight into the middle. Those two. 3 over there, mark 3 over there. And then organization, dimensional depot. Let's just throw one down right on the ground here. And a little finisher off. Pop that over there. Okay, sweet. And this is already wired up, isn't it? Yes. Yes, okay, so everything is good to go on this end. I just need to filter, go over to the aluminum place, which is way over here. Aluminum casings. Alright, well. I thought I brought Buggy over here. Did I not? Or did I remove that? Nope, there it is. Alright, sweet. Let's use that to get over to the aluminum base so we can place down a drone place and get, whoa! Get aluminum casings over to the mushroom. Yep. Oh, okay, don't fall off, please. I always say that I always need to put a road here, but I never do it. Make things safer. Like actual highways. Make some modular sections and put some like actual highways. Whee! Along my roads, or along my routes. Oh, okay. Careful now. Yeah, aluminum places ways over here. Wonder if we can have more than one drone go to a specific location. I think we can, if I remember correctly. Mostly from Let's Game It Out and his shenanigans with drones and making drone tornadoes. Because if we filtered out the any undefined and made that turbo fuel, for example, we have gob tons of turbo fuel up here, which we can filter out. So let's do transportation drone port. Excuse me. My burp kind of just like leaked out. H. Why is it encroaching in other things? What is it? Oh. It is severely clipping onto that. Okay, that's okay. We can just have it hang off the edge here. Jeez. Okay, I probably need to just extend these foundation just a bit. Fix the foundation. Nope, I gotta do fix the foundation for this inverter ramp. 4 meters. Architecture. Boy. Okay, well, that gives me more room to party around on. Well, all the shenanigans that I need to do here. Since I can just hang it off, it's basically a big 3x4 area. Okay, let's run power here. We want to then logistics. Let's do some mergers, honestly. Go Mark 3. Go Mark 3. Okay. That'll get systems kind of alive again. Okay, logistics, we want a splitter. That's an output. Don't really need to output anything. Mostly this place just needs the input fuel. There we go. So that should be inputting fuel into this system and also inputting stuff there. Okay, I guess technically this probably should have a drone, but let's just go ahead and say fuel drone. So that'll be our drone that basically just runs around and does nothing but just delivers fuel to whatever drone ports we have. Yes, so you will be most important. You know what? X for the customizer. Can I like do like a red version? Red and black? What about red and yellow? Ah, that's a lot better. That's more fuel and explosive looking. Yeah, there we go. That's perfect. So that'll definitely tell me that we have our fuel drone doing fuel things. Okay. So your whole goal is this port destination mushroom base, this port fuel drone. Oh, he's alive. Oh, you're gonna head off, aren't you already? But you're so happy. Hey, bud. Hey, you okay? Oh, yeah, no, he's off he goes. Hey, he's gonna be waiting there since the other drone is gonna need to get out of there. Okay, let's continue on to the mushroom base for now. We'll have to. Oh no, my systems are gonna get. Okay, we're gonna have some problems, but we'll work it all out. Cause like my mushroom base is gonna get. Ooh, okay, that was a big lag spike. Let's just go ahead and save the game before anything terrible happens. Ah, being attacked. Being attacked by a wild tractor. Hey, bud, what was your plan? What were you doing? You seem very confused now. Okay, you're definitely the quartz one, weren't you? Oh, yep, there he goes. Okay, he reset himself. He's good. All right, let's continue off to the aluminum area. Get that going. Got a ways to go. So it's just way out here, man. There's our coal tractor doing his things. We could probably set up more efficiently with our coal. Oh, this just loops around. This is not where I want to go. With our coal, we could set up probably a drone system, but honestly, why fix what's not broken? Our coal systems run. Oh, wow, that is. Jeez, okay, that's some intense lag. Wonder if that's my drone trying to do something? Well, that gets patched if that's like the drone's causing that lag, because I haven't experienced anything like that until started messing with the drones. If the drones are going to be lagging us to Kingdom Come, that's going to cause some problems. 'Cause, I was hoping to rely on them a bit. Or we're going to continue having just those absolutely massive lag spikes. That's kind of a problem. Alright, so right up over here is basically our aluminum place. Yep, there's the quartz going to it right there. Alright, so now we just gotta fly. I am not gonna make that. Okay. Ah, didn't make like anything. Gain no height. Try again. Can we land right here? That would be a negatory. Right here we can land though. Elevators would probably be helpful for getting myself way up here. And touchdown. Alright. So, I guess need to clear some space for a drone port, so that'd probably be best right here. Just doing a little landscaping with explosives, because that's the best kind of landscaping. Perfect. Except foundation, concrete foundation, please. The big one. Just zoom down some. Oh, jeez. Yeah, there's a massive lag spike again. I don't like that. All right. Transportation drone port. So we probably don't need a drone here, at least. Let's try and give ourselves as much space as we can for stuff. A hologram, is that relatively in a good spot? Little wood coming through. Just a little more landscaping. We'll fix that. Good. Problem solved. Okay, so we need fuel to come into here. So that's a thing that needs to happen. Logistics. So I should do a smart splitter, just in case we need anything else to come in here. And let's do that. Let's get the Conveyor Belt Mark 3 kind of coming around. There. That. Okay, configure. So center output can be any undefined, and right output it'd be turbo fuel, please. Package turbo fuel. Thank you. So that'll do good for refueling our systems. The only thing I have slight concern about. There's aluminum casings right there. Is this a merger? Or is this a splitter? That's a splitter. Okay, good. Do you have an awesome sink right here? Can't really connect to, so I think it'd just be more efficient to place another awesome sink over here. Special awesome sink. Let's drop one down right over here. A little more power. These awesome sinks use like tons of power. Logistics. We just need a regular splitter, honestly, on this end. Weird splitter. There. And then just a Conveyor Belt Mark 3, whatever. Do I have that backwards? I do. Whoops. Special. Oh, that's not what I want. Awesome sink. Okay, let's try not to put that backwards accidentally. Okay. Now it's not backwards. Yeah. Grind away any extra we have. So for this interactive drone port, this is port. So this port, all ports, we want steel drone to mushroom base. Can we also get nope, that's mushroom base. Mushroom base. Oh, can we only do one? Didn't import fuel drone. Oh no, we need it to go to destination. And oh wait, we can like chain it together? I don't think I want that, no. Yeah, we just want back and forth. From aluminum port, we want to go to mushroom base, and then from mushroom base back to here. We should have a drone at that place that's already doing stuff. Do I really need a second drone? Just to... Huh. Yeah, because I don't think I can duplicate this. Unless I add another drone to the fuel base. Ha, okay, this might be a lot of traveling just to get this all worked out. No drone. But is there not... Okay, so that drone, yeah. Drone here is not coming over here. So I don't think I have it set up over on that side, which means I now need to go to mushroom base. Let's just drop some fuel in here. Okay, so I don't think I need a drone here. Let's not put a drone there. And I guess we gotta go all the way back to mushroom base now. Oh, down I go. Oh! That's not what I wanted to drink. That was a bit of a hard landing. Okay, let's just grab some of that. Okay, and then... Actually, I guess we just need to make a pit stop at our main base. Slap down... Second drone? Question mark? At the fuel thing? And have that deliver fuel... to here? This is gonna be... Okay, I have made wrong turns. Excuse me. Excuse me. I would like not to be trapped on trees. Thank you. I made wrong turn. So yeah, I guess we go back to main base drone port real quick as we make our way, well, out of here and back to mushroom base. Slap down second drone and have it target here? Or do I need to have second drone base? I need to have like multiple drone bases just for fuel. That'd be kind of obnoxious a little bit. Oh. Accidentally wiped him off the face of the earth. Yeah, I've honestly never messed with drones. Like this is getting into unknown territory for me. 'Cause even when I was playing with my friend, we made it to nuclear power stuff, but we never like set it up. Because we were always trying to perfect our like starting stuff mostly. Like we've redone like a ton of stuff to get our starting stuff going as efficiently as possible. Okay, what's the deal here? Do I need a second drone base? Is that what I need? And then each... Okay, this port... Yeah, it just goes to aluminum. Mushroom base to aluminum port, and then aluminum port to mushroom base. It says status is on its way to. No, there's nothing going on there. I think I need to place down second drone port, which is a little annoying. Transport, drone port. So it's like each one is just bi-directional, and that's kind of it, from what I can understand. Sure, whatever. I may need to like build almost like a tower, and then just have like a place for like a ton of drone ports on top, or have like new area where there's just oops all drone ports. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Logistics, I need a splitter, I guess? Going to here? Yeah. Splitter there. And that can just do that, alright. So we just need to add a new drone port. Oop, that is going the wrong way. I think I probably must have did it for that one too. I was hoping I could just like have a place go to multiple things just super easily. It doesn't look like that's the case. Okay, so I need a transport. I need a drone here. Let's go ahead and paint this one the same one. This will be field drone 2. Here, take some fuel. There we go. Power. How much power do these things take? 100 megawatts? That's a pretty significant amount. Okay, so this port goes to aluminum port, and then from aluminum port, you go back to field drone 2. Yes. Okay, so you should drop off fuel. You're doing stuff. I wonder why this is screaming at me for. Oh well. You know what? Let's just call this field drone 1. Field drone run to mushroom base, then mushroom base to field drone 1. Back. Is that how I'm getting it? Okay. So he's flying off. Where are you going? Hey, you're going that way. The base is right there, bud. Oh, there he goes. Now he turns. What? What direction of travel are you going, my good sir? I mean, as long as they're delivering the materials, I don't question it. So I guess without further ado, let's go back to Mushroom Base and get that drone to go pick up stuff at the aluminum base. Ah, dang it, we didn't connect up the aluminum casing at the aluminum base. Whoopsies. I'm gonna have to go all the way back there in order to get aluminum casing hooked up. Okay. That's a whoopsie daisies on my part. I need to go fix that. But let's try and get our drones to start moving here, shall we? Do enough to we're gonna have to work out the whole nuclear system, which is gonna be fun. I kind of say that with sarcasm because it's gonna be tedious and a lot of stuff. Are there any geysers actually out in that big desert? Maybe we should go way out to that big desert. Put our power, like nuclear power plant, just like way out over there. Not for any hugely particular reason, but just because we can. Okay. Oh, you wait. He's taken off. What? Wait. 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 What happened to our other drone? You're unloading fuel. Yeah, that's a thing you're supposed to be doing. Wait, did I put this at any undefined? Right is aluminum casing. I didn't screw anything up. Right. Okay. Yeah, I see the turbo fuel down there. So I guess I just need to run a logistics Caravan Mark III. Let's just run a very simple one. Whee! Top. There. Are you good? What are you waiting on? You're supposed to return. Unless it's... Yeah, you're supposed to go back home. What are you doing here? Unless we need to chain everything together. Oh, no. See, this is why I need filters on these things. Doing? Oh, you're just waiting for this to be oh, okay. That's okay, I see what you're doing. So you're waiting for that to unload. Okay, that may be a problem. let's just throw an awesome sink up on top of the hill here. Logistics, splitter. How about Mark III? Just grind away my problems. And that there, and that over there. There we go. Grind away my problems. Alright, 24 coupons. That's a pretty good amount. Should be a drone here though, right? Yeah, aluminum port, destination, build drone. On. What? So we need to we need to chain them together. Okay, that drives me kind of bats that we need to chain things together, or you need to have singular port for singular thing. So technically I need to have second port for fuel. And I just need to make everything point to point. Or I need to watch a video tutorial on actually how to understand drones. That is also probably another solution to the problem I am having. But I think, for the most part... Oop, that's not what I want to do. Get rid of these two. I just need to have point-to-point drone systems. So every base needs to have more than one of these drone ports in order to function, basically. Which kind of does my head in, but it's just kind of how it needs to be. Okay, lock your thing. You need to go over here. Oh, missing radio control units. Oh no, whatever shall I do? It's okay, this is already powered up. I just need to throw some aluminum casings into here. Here, here's some aluminum casings. Make some radio control units for me, please. And you, radio control units. Throw that in there. There we go. Problem solved. Kinda. Yeah, it's gonna take a hot minute. So I don't want this to be my fuel port, so that means I need to add second port over here. And that will be my fuel port. See materials. Oop, got two more. Wait just a moment and we'll have yet another one. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this one... Mexico City? Okay, that's random. Alright, fuel drone one. Mushroom. Okay, I need, okay. So field drone 1 needs to go to field drone 1, and field drone 1 needs to go to field drone 1 mushroom base. Okay. Status, it's probably because it doesn't have one. Okay, all ports. Yep. This port, field drone, okay. Think we're getting it worked out? Hopefully, maybe? He should be on his way. What is he doing? Hey, bud. Yeah, I don't want you to come to this one anymore. No port. Nope. Nope. No port. No land. Land there. Land there. What are you waiting for? Why? Land there. I have no clue what he's waiting for. Logistics. I need a splitter on here, honestly. Because I need to fill that there. I need to run a conveyor over here. That is not the fuel side of things. Okay, so I need a little more foundation. This is getting messy already. Okay, so there's fuel going in there. Should be going over that way. It would probably help if I connected things. There we go. Oi, buddy, What are you waiting for? Yeah, this port should be doing nothing. Yes, and then... Yeah, no, this port should be doing... What are you waiting for? No drone. You shouldn't need a drone, you should just land. Okay, and I need an output here. Or to take an output here, I should say. Or better. And, maybe I need to fly up there and try and deconstruct them? Seems to be struggling with something. Don't know what, really. It's something. There. Still don't want to land. Can I reach you? Ah, gotcha. Oh, buddy. Okay. Okay, are you gonna do your thing now? Do I have this figured out? Yes, hi. You're so happy. Oh. Bye. Bye! Okay, there he goes. So he should go to the fuel base, grab fuel, and come back. Okay, off he goes. Yes, we mostly just kind of twiddle our thumbs until this base needs to go to aluminum port. From aluminum port to this port. I don't know what it's waiting for. 2.18 stacks transferred per minute. Drone status and route. Drone status and route? What drone? Okay, he's there. That one's doing its thing there. We'll have to go back to there. Okay. So once you fill up or do whatever you need to do, you should come back. Wait. You should come back. To here. Yeah, the master base to aluminum port, then from aluminum port to this base. Is he gonna come back? Are you still waiting on materials? Is that it? Man, is this messy. Guess we need to drive back. Not too thrilled about that, but I guess keep our eyes on the sky for if he decides to... Right, nope, here he comes. Okay. Now I guess we just wait here? Where will we see him? There he is. He's coming right this way, basically. So we should see him come over top of this, there he is. Hey, bud. Oh, okay, what is your AI doing? AI doing weird things. Okay, you're gonna come land? We'll land at that one. We'll land at that one. You're gonna unload yourself. And we're gonna have a bunch of fuel. Okay. So far, so good. And then he drops down. And after he lands, he'll unload. There he goes. Okay, well, fuel is unloading, so looks like he's gonna go fly again now. Oh wow, batteries are the lowest cost. No, turbo fuel is pretty low. Rocket fuel, ionized fuel is even lower. Nuclear is like just nothing. But we make so much turbo fuel, it's fine. Okay, so I guess we gotta go back to aluminum base. Yeah. So we have 2 drones that should be doing their stuff, more or less. I mean, he went there. Eee! Okay, so my build list thing, I need to add a, like, drone port. Just a massive drone port. The main base. So whatever materials we can't import. So you know what? Hold on. Something I should do since I'm here, and I would rather not forget it, is I should actually connect the power between our 2 bases here. The main base and this other one. Because the power, not that far apart. Yeah, there's power to... Oh, do you cough out acids? I don't like that. Okay, this is power. What is this? Where is this power coming from? It's only 2,000 or 3,000. It's connected up to... Oh, is that literally it? Because we don't have power coming off of this station? Yeah, no, we don't have power coming off this station. So that's just it, is literally we could take a power line. Must be hooked up to a connection. Is this not already hooked up? Okay, there it goes. That's weird. Okay. So this is probably producing gob tons of power. Oh, yes, okay. And then all we need to do to connect up main base to this other base is that. Yep. Now the 2 bases are hooked together. There she goes. 14,000 work, generating 12,000 megawatts. All right. Well, the bases are now linked together, power-wise, which will be good because our main base could use more power. And well, that base back there is generating plenty of it, so that works perfectly fine. Let's get back to our vehicle here. And go back to main base and check on things. I think it just needs me to grind away the fuel. No, that should be already set up. Okay, what is the second one needing then? Whee! Okay. One thing I'm wondering though is if we can't set up like a chain of stuff, but I guess it'd be more experimenting for like actually like doing a small scale thing. Okay. How we doing over here with the drones? Think I might slowly be understanding it, but man, is it slow. Okay, so the other guy hasn't returned yet. Those are going ham or doing whatever they're doing. You, my good sir. Oh, what? Okay. Thought there was a... Okay, so that... nope. Destination Mushroom Base. You should be returning to Field Drone 2, this port. Has that made him take off? Okay, why do we have two... Oh, did the aluminum drone just take off? Okay, we have things happening now. I need to go over there. Figure out what's going on. There's a drone circling there. I think it's waiting for that field drone to take off, which that field drone should take off. But it's probably best to just do point-to-point stuff. So like the field drone has its own 2 ports each time we need fuel to a field drone location. Which means we probably need to build like massive drone ports. Especially if there's areas where we really need to transport materials between the two. I gotta figure out where I want to put nuclear power though. Would be a big one. Excuse me. I think, wait, I'm going in the complete opposite direction. Where I need to be going. Hold on. Made a wrong turn. I think this is the turn I missed. Oh, yep, there's Big Boy. Okay, yep. This is the turn I missed. Okay. We're back. Now to, I guess, place down another drone port. And just try and keep all my drones separate, more or less. Eh. If there's any way about it. Just gotta kind of keep my... Ooh, buddy. Keep all my drones separate, especially for various different materials. Though I... Oh, hold on. We're up. Okay, what do you... Oh, that's not powered. Huh. That's probably why that drone's not taking off. But also, you need to go away. Goodbye. Because we need a second drone port for moving aluminum, because we don't want them getting mixed. Probably the least efficient way of doing literally any of this. Cool. There we go. Okay. Rename that. You should take off at some point, but I guess you just need to grind off your materials, more or less. Okay, so we need a third drone port. Or second, I mean, sorry. Okay, transportation, drone port. Okay, H. Is that more or less supported? Yeah, it's more or less supported. Cool. So we need to interact with drone port. We need this port to go to Mushroom Base. From Mushroom Base, this port. This will be just aluminum. Fuel go in there. I need to, I guess, split fuel. Logistics, Pharaoh Mark 3. Logistics, splitter, just spaghetti mode right now. Go, and now I need to come over here. I need to grab the casings, which aren't producing. Is it not producing because something is backed up? No. What is broken? There's just no power? Power's flowing. What did I break? Water's here. You're doing your thing. Is it silica that's backed up? Oh, that's probably what it is. Silica is backed up. Okay, well, we can take care of that. Merger. Okay, logistics splitter. Let's put one of those kind of a little ways down there. And I should be able to connect there. Okay. There we go. Emptied the silica. Silica must have been backed up. So it wasn't doing anything. Right? What was up? The water's backed up? You know what? Flush the entire thing. The water is backed up. Interesting. I didn't know the water could just be backed up, but I guess it can. Oh, you know what? It would probably help if I had valves on this system. Just, yeah, that's alumina. This is outputting water. Okay, I think we got it now. We just need to flush the water system. So we need to put a valve like right there. So it's only outputting water. Can't like get clogged up, I guess, or something. Okay. Now things are running again. Wow, look at that. Organize, let's see, logistics, Mark 3. And in. Okay. No power. Oh, okay. Keep connected to that. Okay, and then I just need a drone. Transportation drone. Good boy. Okay. Sweet. He will be doing his aluminum thing now, and that should be all be set up. Mushroom base, aluminum core. Okay, yep, that should be all good. The drone one, yep, okay. Now everything should be more or less solved. Man, that took a hot minute to get that kind of fixed. Additional depot, yeah, it's full. So I was just waiting for it to back up again. Hopefully now this won't get backed up. None of the other systems will get backed up. really a whole lot of water flowing, is there? Water flowing into this guy. Actually, quite a bit less. Just a couple hundred there. Flow rate not high. Oh, it keeps like rising and falling. Do I need more water pumps? Is that kind of the issue? I feel it. How are we doing here? Extremely low, actually. Wow. Ouchies. Yeah, no, water flow isn't very actually that high. Wait a minute. Oh, those aren't actually... Oh! How did that happen? Those aren't actually connected. There. Yeah, now it's actually connected. Holy crap. There we go. Jeez, okay. Are we consuming more power? No. Now it's charging up again. Okay. I could always slap down another coal power generator if need be. But I think we're outputting 75 miles. We're just teetering on the edge, I think. Okay, fuel drone's coming down and delivering his fuel. That's all good. Okay. Hopefully everything is back to normal, more or less, over here. Where's our other drone buddy at right now? Oh, nope, there he is. He's coming back. This should be... Yep, it's filling up with casings. Good, alright. I think we are more or less good to just leave that alone then. So I hope, with all sincerity, that we have more or less fixed our issues. Where did I leave my vehicle at? I think back here? Yeah, it's back here. There it is. Alright, let's head on back to... Whoop! Head on back to the OCD coming out. I'm trying to erase spaghetti with my finger. So what you're saying is, if I opened up this world to multiplayer and allowed you in, I would get free work out of it because you would be so annoyed trying to fix all my spaghetti and organizing things. Is that something that would happen? Super clean. Yeah, you would. You would spend hours here. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll get better at building near facilities. These are just my old facilities that I'm just kind of trying to get operational, more or less. Because we are... Oops. Pretty quick here, actually going to be doing nuclear power, finally. Oop, I'm caught on the power line. So I think I finally got all my systems going. I got old stuff that needs to tear down too. Yeah, I mean, I guess if I was doing more personal play, I would probably be tearing down some stuff and redoing it, but this is more stream stuff. Just play through, enjoy it. Don't spend too overly long because people get tired of the same content. Rebuilding the world in stages, yeah. So just close your eyes at this part while we go through the obnoxious spaghetti that is this location. I guess this area isn't too bad. It's mostly organized over there fairly well. Up here is all right to a certain degree. Okay, but I think my drones are all doing good. I guess we just need to go to the mushroom base and make sure that that's all going good. And if that's all going good, I think we're on to doing nuclear stuff, because we have RC stuff being made. We have the supercomputers being made. Yeah, really, I think it really is just onto the uranium stuff. Look away! Look away! Look away from the horrendous sins that have been made to factory kind? I don't think that makes very much sense. And I'm not paying attention to the road because I'm trying to drink my coffee and speak at the same time. That does not work. Are you building nuke for power or for items? I guess more just the items and just to have it, since I don't really necessarily need the power. I probably do need to go about linking all my bases together. Actually, just a little bit ago, I finally went about just running the small bit of cable that was needed. It was, okay, so I finally figured it out. It was literally the power here at these sulfur and geysers was actually going to the main base, and well, I had the train station, so I just need to connect those two up, and now these two bases share power, which is fantastic. I just kind of got to do it for everything else, make sure everything else shares power. How long you've been playing? I mean, we're like 90-something hours into the game, and the stream for today is just, we're 2 hours in for today. You're using geyser power? In a lot of places, yes, because it's just very easy to use. Though I do have the coal power plant running, I have the massive fuel power plant at the mushroom base running. So my power is spread wide and across many different types. I even still use the biomass burners power plant thingy that I have back at the main base just to burn off any excess wood or leaves I happen to come across. Whoop. Geyser power is also kind of nice for placing down radio towers. If you want more power, go for rocket fuel power. It's insane what you get. I don't think I'm there yet to rocket fuel. I don't think I can produce that at this moment in time. I think it's just nuclear power that I have so far unlocked. Yeah, just nuclear currently. Not quite there, but we'll get there. I'm guessing rocket power is in once you complete phase 4, or yeah, maybe it's not. I don't know. Okay, so this should be producing. Oop. I know you're not getting a huge ton of aluminum casings, no, but you are producing radio control units. 12 out of 250. Okay, it's not like a lot, but hey, that's some. That's better than nothing. Where's my drone buddy at? Is he coming? Any drone buddies? Okay, there's one. I wish it labeled on the map which one you were. Okay, you're probably not the fuel guy, because the fuel guy is actually there. So that is my aluminum guy right there coming on over. Gonna wait a few seconds here and kind of watch him fly over. Yeah. Should see him any moment now. Where is he? Okay, he's right over there. Oh, he's already here? Oh, he's already here. Just about missed him. Hey, bud. Oh, you make a very slow descent. That is almost painful. Hey, buddy. You got a bunch of aluminum casings to drop off for me, hopefully? So focused, so serious. Look at that eye. Boop. There we go. Alright. Incoming? I can hear it. Where's my aluminum casings? There we go. Thank you, buddy. Alright, you can go back now. Have fun. He is such a determined little drone. Kind of loud being close to him. Alright, well, goodbye. Oh, and there's the fuel one coming in too. Perfect timing. Alright, sweet. So, I guess without further ado, let's see. I want to head up to the big desert, and I kind of want to do my nuclear power stuff out there, honestly. If there is uranium, I should head out there, find a geyser, put down a radio tower, though. Yeah, there's a geyser over here. Yeah. Okay. So, I guess without further ado, let's go in our vehicle and head out over there. See what we can find, more or less. I was already over there for Mercer Spheres, but I haven't actually been over there for anything too serious. So, time to get serious, because we got nuclear power to build. It's going to be fun trying to figure out how to do nuclear power. Oh. Just ran over that bird. Oopsies. Did you find any cassettes? I have not found any cassettes. But I do know you can buy them. But I'm betting that most of that music is probably copyrighted one way or another, so it wouldn't be something I could play on stream, especially with the intent for monetization in the future. Am I taking the right turn? I don't think I'm taking a right turn. I am definitely not taking a right turn. Nope, copyright free. You sure? Really? All of it? Oh, okay. Because I know that this game does have a streamer mode that gets rid of a bunch of the copyrighted material in it. Oh, lag spike. Drones have caused lag. Yep, Coffee Stain says it's okay. Okay, well, I'm trusting you on that, bro. You get me demonetized and it's on you. Yeah, where am I at? I is there. Okay. So I need to go this direction. Ah! Okay, I just need to wind my way through this forest. I don't think I'm following any good road in particular. Oh, water. Okay, I just barely almost took a drink. Dang it. Flip me over, thank you. terrible driving through these forests. Okay. Ah, that's a coal spot. Okay, I actually know where we're at right now. And another massive last fight due to the drones. I'm kind of annoyed that drones lag me so badly. Ah, okay, I need to get out of my vehicle. Because can't cross this area with the vehicle. Already done it once, already drowned a vehicle once. Wow, those drones are so laggy. Okay, where is a main road at? You kind of find a main road and I can head on out of here a little easier. Right here. Oh, actually, I am literally right. I am standing on top of the main road. Alright. Crafting thing. I have a buttload of fuel in my inventory. We can head straight over to the desert. Wow, okay. There's gotta be some setting I can do to get the drones to be less overwhelming on my system. Man, okay, so this is technically a main road, but jeez, is there a lot of chaos happening here? Get me out of here. Okay, yep. Oh, there is a hard drive thing over there. Have I been to this one? It just crashed up above me. Nope, I have not been to this one. And it's free. Don't mind if I do. Like that it's free. Okay. Hello there, big guy. Or me. I just want stuff. Because I is Loot Goblin, and I will be out of your way. Ah yes, the desert. Here we are. Yeah, I don't see any more loot. Just a couple pieces. Okay, that's fine. Boop, 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 boop. Back down. Yeah, there is a setting. Don't use them. Oh, okay. Whee! Okay. Ah! Okay. That's a little annoying with the drones. Okay, so let's scan for geysers, and my voice has just died all suddenly. Okay, whoever's hurting me, could you like stop? Oi! Guys are obnoxious. I just want to search for geysers. There's some geysers over there. There's geysers there. Okay, I think I need to get further into the desert more. So, okay, that's in the swamp. Swamp is a very spicy area. In the past, on my friend's world, I used to die there like a ton. It is not fun. There's a lot of spiders there. Is my only way down just jump? Or did I miss the turnoff? I missed the turnoff. That is a thing that I have done. There is a way down over there, though. That's less fun, though. I want to get down below now. Alright, well, here we go. And perfect. Oh, it's gonna bottom out my suspension so hard. Here we go. The desert. This is actually kind of not where I want to be. I want to be more over there. Where the oases is at. So there's a geyser somewhere near here. So I can plop down a radio tower. Okay. What do we got? Nothing? Nothing at all. Oh. You back there. You over there. Okay, there is a geyser up there. That's actually kind of perfect. So, yep, let's head towards that geyser then. And I do remember this area. This area in particular is where Let's Game It Out made his massive spaghetti area. Right here. Could never forget that. It's like stained into my brain. Woo! Okay, so that geyser is... I don't think it's down low. I think it's up high. Like there somewhere. Okay. Probably need to leave the vehicle behind. Time to actually just start flying. Yeah, I think I need to get up there. I don't really need you right now, Slug. Just need to... If I can make it. I think I can make it. And... Just barely. Perfect. Oh, hey, immersive sphere. Oh, there's another one up there, too. Don't mind if I do. Thank you. Yes, yes. Say your thing. Okay, we have Caterham right here. Kind of nice to store into the knowledge banks. Ah, lost. Ah, I'm fine. Loop. Okay. We're not up to the top yet. Another immersive sphere over there. A lot of them. Is it not here? It must not be on the top of this one. Yeah, Okay, I must have got that wrong. There's a immersive sphere down there, too. A slug over there. A lot of immersive spheres here. That's good. Okay, where was that geyser at? Oh, yeah, no, I'm in the completely wrong area. It's like right over here. Yep, there it is. Okay. This is risky. Probably should have thought about that more before I just kind of threw myself off. Oh, there's a summer sleep right there. Oh, I wonder... Hello, bud. I just want this. Don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Okay, I have it. Thank you. Goodbye. Oh, he is angry. Understandable. Okay, the geyser must be right there. Or is it right here? There's a free hard drive over here. Well, possibly. Turbo motor, okay. Radiation. Hey, bud. Ah. Yeah, let's step away for a moment. Okay, taste the fury of bullets. And I don't have any more ammo in my inventory. Perfect. Need ammo, I need ammo, I need ammo. There we go. Oh, okay. Flag is definitely not going to help me. He's down. Oh, where are you at? He hurt himself in confusion. There is more than one thing here. Oh boy. It is a spice fest. Okay. Oh! I was not paying attention. That's a problem. Dead now? Yeah, he's dead now. Okay, good. What is in here? High-speed connectors. That's all you need? Okay. We can do that. Oh. Buddy is trapped in the rocks. Alright, sweet. Second hard drive. So angry. Don't mind me. Gonna collect all your stuff. Oh, he still got me. Oh, you're out of the rocks. How'd you break free? No, that is not something you're allowed to do. Oh, no. Just go sleep. Go to sleep. Go sleep like a good boy. Thank you. Okay, so I need to find that geyser. It is behind me. It is right there. Okay. Alright, okay. Power, geothermal generator. Let's just rotate that around. Probably about there. We'll go ahead and just throw down a battery to make my power stable. And then, without further ado, it's an organization, isn't it? Yep, for some reason. I don't know why this is an organization. Alright, pop that down. There we go. Okay, so we do have uranium. Sweet. We have oil. Okay. We have coal, SAM ore, sulfur, yttrium. There's a lot of iron and copper out there in the desert floor. Sweet. I kind of wish there was a guy. There might be a geyser out over here. Guys are down here, too. Probably should use those other areas to place down some more radio towers. Honestly, yeah, let's just travel around, maybe place down a few more radio towers. And then next week, we will start up the whole nuclear power plant up here on top of the hill, which I think that'll be fun to figure out. Got tons of Mercer spheres around here, like absolute buttloads. I guess when it comes to nuclear power, though, we do also kind of just need to figure out how to like how much we need to build, because probably eventually we should run power lines across the map, but for the most part we don't really need to do that. But having nuclear stuff available to us would probably be a good thing. Oh, there's just another Mercer sphere in here. It's only the little guys, though. That makes it easier to grab. Gonna run into me. Yep, now. They're not standing on top of it. There we go. Can't get me now, because I'm standing on top of it. Neener, neener, neener. Run away. Okay, question, how is that standing up still? I mean, we do have lower gravity here, but unless it's just made of all iron, that feels rather questionable. Okay. Random blue slug out here in the middle of absolute nowhere. There's just so many like iron and copper nodes out here. It's kind of wild. There's just so many spread apart. want that. Give me that. Ah. He ran off. Now I have it. Now it's mine. See you later. There's just another random summer sloop out here. There's just all kinds of random fun out here in the desert. Thank you. Okay, the geyser. There gotta be a geyser out here somewhere. No? Really? Nothing. Yeah, there's only that one. Okay. Yep, and then there's that one too. Where are you getting this hard drive? Yes. I collected that when I was running around for Mercer Spheres. There is another free summer sloop. I will take it. Okay, is there just coal out here then? Okay, there is free coal out here. Coal back that way too. Okay. Head towards this one. There. Free Mercer Sphere. Thank you. Goodbye. Okay, so there. Yeah, we're like right on the edge of the map here. That seems suspicious. Okay. Thank you. I want that summer sloop, so I can use that for doing great things. You can probably walk out on those rocks, can't you? I guess we can place a radio thing out here. I'm kind of more curious what's in here, honestly. This is one of the areas where I couldn't get into before. There we go. Ooh. Mercer Sphere. I accidentally hit him. Accidentally. There's like a lot of caves down here. Give me this, please. Yeah. What is, I guess, what is down here more? This way continues. Ah, to another blockage. Ouchies! Ah, this one. Okay, so I do remember this one. There we go. Fully unclogged. I guess when we make the nuclear base, power base up there, whatever, out here, one thing we could do is totally run drones everywhere, since it seems like a lot of our materials are going to be kind of separated. Oop. We should also try and stylize the base as much as possible. You try and go for like a Pueblo look, something kind of interesting. That might be fun. Okay, so there's cool stuff over there. production. We need a miner mark 2. Go way out here. Three. I'll bring this kind of closer to the water, honestly. Oop. Excellent. Push the my mouse buttons into my coffee. That's not gonna do good for anyone. Oop, missed me. He's trying so desperately. Dang it. Okay, and we are here, more or less. So, power, coal power generator. Put that there. Ah, oi. What do you think you're doing, buddy? So angry. Why are you so angry? Oh! I was not paying attention to my health. That is not a good thing. Whoopsies. They don't have... You can't fly the drones. Oh, okay, I almost got ran over. Okay, at least we can just use a buggy. Guess we can throw down a radio tower along the way. You fuel there. I need some fuel on me, as well as some homing rifle ammo. There. Okay. Death crate's way out there. Now there's some geysers like up here. Put a radio tower up there. Be kind of helpful to spread around some radio towers. Do we also have bauxite up here? We do not have bauxite up there. Okay. So we have an interesting conundrum then if we don't have bauxite out there. Whee! Oh. Vehicle didn't like that. I mean, we can always drone box aluminum out there. I have a feeling it probably needs aluminum. Some of this nuclear stuff. I mean, we can always just look. Okay, I cannot look while in the vehicle. Just because I'm curious of like what I need material-wise for some of this stuff. Oop, there we go. Yeah, we're at least back to Mushroom Base. So, let's look at stuff here. Buildings. Go way down to the bottom, because that's where the nuclear stuff at. Nuclear power plant. Oh, that needs supercomputers. Okay. Aluminum to build it. That's it. Alien power augmenter. We do probably need to build one of these. More power we give it, the more power we get out of it. So, okay, so we go uranium. Oh, sulfuric acid. We get sulfuric acid back out for making the uranium. Okay, that's interesting. Electromagnetic control rod. Yeah, okay, so the first thing we need is to make these encased uranium cells. And then the encased uranium cells go into uranium fuel rods. Oh, plus these electromagnetic coils? Oh. Okay. So we need to get electronics facility built up to produce us the electromagnetic coils. Steel rod. Buildings. How much power does these generate? Production 60 per minute. Okay. It tells me absolutely nothing. Guess we'll have to figure that all out next week. I'm gonna go recover my dead body here and get some more radio towers placed down before we end off, so at least we can see more materials around us. Oop! Drones causing more lag. This area is so rough. It's like scarred due to like almost like I'm thinking like glacial shifts or something like that. I always accidentally destroy the barrel nut. I need to go this way. I think it's just right around the corner here. Up through here. And then one way turns down to the swamp, and the other way, yeah, this way. I kind of remember my way a little bit. I think when it comes to the swamp, we'll just fly. Yep. Sam ore, but we need to go this way. And the swamp is basically right out in front of us. Past a certain point. Woo! Oh boy. I am a crazy driver in this game. There's a Mercer Sphere up there, and it looks like a free Mercer Sphere. I will take that. Ooh. Thank you. Oh, I don't have to use anything at the moment. Let's get out of this poison area. Oh my goodness, I just hear it everywhere. Oh, okay. Yep, nope, I don't want any part of that. Not why I'm here. I want to go to my death crate, but I also want to find the geysers. So I can plop down a radio tower. Those are some angry kitties. I'm about out of fuel. There's gonna be some more angry kitties there, isn't there? Oh my goodness, yes, they're just everywhere. This almost looks like a safe spot in the middle of the swamp. Oh, lag. Don't kill me, please. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Give up already. Yeah, I think I have to get rid of them. Okay. Yeah, the geysers are probably just right out here. Oh, okay, there's a ton of cats. Ow! Ah, dang! Those are a bunch of angry kitties. Okay, that was not great. Something I do wish was in this game. With some kind of, like, auto turrets or something. That would be fantastic. Yeah, mix in just a pinch more Factorio into Satisfactory. No, I already got homing rifle and fuel. I need to put down another Explorer because I need to drive all the way back. Because I cannot do things well. Oh, yeah, nope, needs fuel. Needs fuel, doesn't automatically go in. I wish there was a button when you're in the vehicle, you could just press it and just load fuel from your inventory. Way I don't have to get out and load it manually. Just load it from in the vehicle. Tasty coffee. Wipes away all my sadness from dying and having to run all the way back. Whee! I think I probably should have done is craft more of those gas mask thing. I can throw it on a crafting bench once we get a little bit closer to the swamp. Ooh, man. Yeah, those drones are punishing. Definitely need to make them slightly less intensive. Speaking of drone, here goes a friend right above us. Okay, we're back at Mushroom Base, and we gotta go around Mushroom Base in order to make it to the swamp, where I can go collect my dead body. That's my second dead body, and I really need to place down a radio tower. It's my main goal now. Besides also placing a radio tower in that desert. See if I can't see any like bauxite or anything out there. Just need to keep placing more radio towers kind of around the map. That way I have a broad range of view of what all is around. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're good. A good view of like what all is on the map, material-wise. I kind of have some stuff in my head from just memory of playing this game quite a bit, but some of it isn't there. Carefully around. Excuse me, good sir. Alright, we're almost back to the swamp. Okay, Sam ore should be, yep, there's the Sam ore. And we just continue on this way. Bauxite right there. Bauxite right there, isn't it? Yep, that is it. I like that the monsters can't see me. I'm in a vehicle. I is technically invisible. Rid of that. Big guy is coming. What I want to do, try and see if I can't work my way back across the swamp. Let's just crafting bench. Let's just make some. Nope, that wouldn't be actually here, would it? No, it'd be at the equipment workbench. Oof. Where I make some gas mask stuff for me. There we go. Okay, that's enough. Okay, off we go. For a second time. Try not to attract the cats. Trying to stay well above them. Something is attacking that guy. Can I stand on top of these oily looking plants? Yes, I can. Okay, I think I'm well enough above the cats that they don't notice me. Oh, that's interesting. Like a hot air balloon about to take off. And I've angered something. no. There's so many. So many angry kitties. Stay down where you belong. Okay, I don't think they can quite reach me when I'm on top of this balloon plant thing. Which is good. Yep. Okay, one down. Oh, there's so many more angry kitties down there. Oh, you guys made it up. That's not good. Okay, no more spicy kitties. Spicy kitties have been, Oh, you're definitely spicy. Okay. There we go. Spicy kitties have been neutralized. Okay. Geyser. Where are they here in the swamp? They're pretty close by. There's those ones. Ah, they're up there. Okay. We'll get my death crate, then we'll head up over there to those geysers and place down another radio tower. Where's my death crate at? Ah, there it is. Thank you. Okay. If we go this direction. Ouchies. Don't have any radiation protection. Come back for that another time. Oh. This feels almost illegal, having a purple slug just all alone, no protection. And there's a geyser. We can just easily make use of that. Ah! Okay, you're in my way, bud. Can you? Thank you. You know what? Make my way over to here. Alright, there we go. Okay, so battery. There, I think that's the front. Yes, that is. Okay, power that to the battery. And then from battery, we can throw down... It's an organization. I don't know why this is always an organization. I don't even know if I placed that the right way. Close enough. There we go. Map. Oh, there's a lot of gator just right over there in that corner. Oxite. Geyser. Huh. Alright, well that kind of opened up some stuff for us, but it's all we needed, so let's go over to our actual death crate. And then there's a hard drive down there. Ah, okay. This hard drive I can definitely claim. I just want the hard drive. You take a lot of shots. Wow. He shot. Hold on. Hold on. It's been... There we go. Finally. Jeez. That's a lot of... Oh, you're still alive. Two little ones. And they're down. Okay. All enemies have been put to sleep. Yep. Always use more of those. Always. Good, good, good. Oh, lots of good stuff. Oh, hey. More of those free control rods. A little bit of quick wire. There's a lot of materials with this one. Okay. And the hard drive pod is right here. 85 megawatts. Okay. Good thing there is geothermal power over here. Whoop. Oh. When it lags. It can make you launch way up. Because I guess it's just like constantly applying the okay, would you move? Thank you. Oi! You got in my way. Thank you. Don't be in my way. Okay. Ah, so no empty power line connections. Okay, we can fix that. So from there, go down there, there, up to there, this across here, over to there. Okay, so we have all the power connected. Now I can take this over to that hard drive, which I think is just down the cliff over here. Yep, there it is. There. Free hard drive, let's go. Okay, disconnect that wire so we're not wasting power, even though it doesn't really matter. Okay, now we can head towards our death crate. Probably. Yeah. Okay, I'll make it a goal of mine over this weekend to collect a bunch more hard drives. So at least we can keep, what the heck? Oh, that's I thought that would rock with that yellow slug on there. It was like a really, really big one of those, nest, monster ball things. Spawner thingies. I thought it was like a really massive one. Okay. I might be losing my mind only slightly. Beach area. Is there anything here? Absolutely nothing. Okay. Just some slugs. There might be a Mercer Sphere down there or like Summer Sleep, but that's probably about it. Oh, is that another Summer Sleep? It's a free one too, because those plants. I feel like before the 1.0 update, these plant things were like a lot more aggressive, but they've like toned down the aggressiveness of them. It's like they barely do anything anymore. They're just kind of lame now. There we go. You, Hatcher. That's what those things are called. Thank you. And thank you. Okay, continue to the death crate. Seriously, I can just walk right by these plants. They'll pick this up and get out of here before they even do any of their poison stuff. Like, they are so slow at moving. They used to be like so much more faster. I think that's probably it. Used to be like so much more reactive and quick about getting up and spitting out their toxic fumes everywhere. Or they would just be constantly doing it too. Need to bring that back. They'd be a little more threatening than they are anymore. Okay, you're down. Get to one. You down too. There we go. More good stuff. Oh, what's this? Oh, stun rebar. Okay. Interesting, interesting. Gonna need those for later. Reinforced plate. Don't really need that much anymore. Okay, I think that's it for the materials. What does this need? Repairs needed. Computers. Oh, okay. There. think that makes a total of about 4 hard drives I have collected so far. Hole down here. I don't think that radio tower up there is going to reach down here. It's fine. If I need to, I can run a long power line over to here and just slap down on the radio tower. A lot of yellow slugs though that I can see. It's nighttime. All glowing. Blue slug in that cave. Hiding from the intense heat of the desert. Except it should be getting cold now if it's anything like deserts. Like real cold. Alright, my death crate is up past all this toxic gas. Cover my stuff. Place down everything we need to get another radio tower in this corner of things going, and then I think we'll go ahead and end off. And then yeah, next week, nuclear power, here we come. It's gonna be exciting and fun trying to work all that out. I should probably see if I need any of the materials from nuclear stuff for research. Or even just building those parts up there. Only that too. Okay, so that has that. I think we will have to plop down a generator just to get kind of things off the ground, more or less. There we go. Okay, production, water, extractor. Oh, lag. Not deep enough. Really? Nothing? But what if we... What? Oh, that's not the one I wanted. I like blew up this rock. Can I do that? Nope, cannot do that. Okay. Is there a source of water over here, then, I can grab from? I mean, yeah, it's probably deep enough over on this end. Yep, there we go. Maybe I should just throw down the coal power generator just down here. Wait. Yeah. Logistics. Oh, he tried. Tried, but he missed. Swing and a miss. Can't get me now. Neener, neener, neener. Gotta run this power line. Oh, the way out there. That coal mine. Coal is so far away. It's gonna take a hot minute for it to even make it over to the coal power generator. More renewables in the game would probably be interesting too, like solar or wind. Mostly just to act as like kind of like the starter motor for like other systems. So that's kind of what I use geysers for, and that's kind of what I use biomass generators for. Is just basically like a starter motor to a bigger system. Something here. Why is this all sparkly? Oh, it's just limestone. Okay. Boring limestone. Alright, power biomass burner. Power line to here. Okay, we just need to feed you some biomass so you can get... It's gonna die though. Dang it, I need 2 biomass burners. Why are all the angry things here now? can hear them all. Okay, let's right click. Yep, there we go. Split that. Some of that over here. Some of that over here. Okay. There we go. Come on, get it jump started. That coal's gonna take forever to get over here. I do just have 71 coal on me, so that could probably at least get this going. Let's add a battery backup, just in case anything happens. Okay. So now the system is running on its own power. It's gonna just take a long time for the coal to make it over there. There's coal down here, but it's, I guess it's 50 one way, 50 another way. Just kind of make it down over here. I don't even think I can see any coal coming down the conveyor belt yet. Oh, there we go. I can start seeing it there. Okay, yeah. That coal will last it long enough for this coal to make it over. Guess without further ado, radar tower. I always place it the wrong direction. 65 megawatts, okay. We are good. There we go. Oh wow, there's like no bauxite in this area. I wonder if there'd be bauxite down over here then. There's bauxite way down here though. I guess we could always use one of our other bauxite systems too if we really needed to, but I feel like I want to build like a whole new one for funsies. More or less. Fine. I guess there is bauxite. Oh no, it's more back here with the other bauxite I was thinking. Yeah. Okay. Well, we have things set up. Next week we'll come and do the whole nuclear power on top of that mountain over there. We just get a higher vantage point here. Whoop. Oh wait, I can go even higher. Sweet. There we go. Yeah, we'll do a whole nuclear power plant up there for no reason in particular, but because we can. And yeah, we'll do that. Do all its processes. Probably put some drone stations around, just fly drones in. And yeah, I guess without further ado, I do hope you enjoyed. And I guess I will see you guys next week for more Satisfactory. So yeah. Oop, I am still lagging. I'm gonna have to fix that. But yeah. Take care, and I will see you all again. Enjoy the rest of your day / evening, depending on where you are in the world. Yeah. Bye-bye.